Hey, why you do that, bro?
What is good, y'all? It's your boy Curtybo, and I am here with another big body banger, man. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video, because I'm coming with some gems, with some sauce, with all that, man. But before we get into this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, man. You already know the vibes. I'm about to be, bro, I only used Bandlab a couple times, but I ain't gonna lie, GarageBand left the stain on the boy. I just know how to mix now. I just know what the compressor from noise, you know. But you gotta, before you even make a song, you gotta get your beat. So make sure you get your beat from either Files, Notes, Gmail, wherever you're getting your beat from. Hit that share button, and then you don't have to scroll to more if that's not in there. And then boom, you're gonna see Bandlab, and then we in there. And then you just gonna let it load. I might have to stop the screen recording right quick. But yeah, you just let it load. All right, now that we in here, we got our track. Let's do it. Now we'll go to voice and mic, record any sound. Let me see if we still recording. I don't know why it keeps taking my recording off, but we're gonna go to auto pitch. Make sure you got the right key. That's the key to auto tune, is having the right key. If you just got the right key, bro, you good. You already gonna be sounding good. Then put it on medium. The average is medium. You feel me? That's the average. That's the right amount of auto tune. I probably did a little too extra on that. Let me see if we're recording. Are we recording? Punchy rap. Okay. Compressor. Okay. The compressor. That all depends on your mic. Right now, we don't really need to touch that. Noise gate is key. Always have that noise gate on. You see how I just got quiet? Yep. Let's have it just like that. And what else? If you're, I wouldn't use reverb if you're rapping. Only use, I'm not finna say only. You do what you want to do, but I only use reverb when I'm singing, or you know, like a acapella or a hook. If you just rapping and you got the reverb, I mean, it really depends on how you use it, bro. It's versatile, you know. Everything works its own way, but yeah, that's pretty much all it is to it, man. You ain't gotta. I know they just added this update. I wasn't aware of that. They got a lot of, as y'all can see, they got a lot of effects, which is pretty cool. I'm gonna get into those pretty soon, so stay tuned for those, man. You know the vibes. But now that we got everything, see if we still recording, and I'm about to just record one time and let's see how it go. Remember, auto tune. You feel me? Find your little mixing. You find your effects. You feel me? And that's all it is to it, my guy. But let's get it. Yeah. Step on the court, I'm a ball. I'ma take it far. She gon' take it off. Still recording, my bad. I just gotta keep checking. This is literally my third time recording the video. Step on the court, I'm a ball. I'ma take it far. She gon' take it off. And then usually what I do is I just duplicate that. I duplicate, and then I delete. I don't know why that pops up, but you can comment down below if you know how to fix that, but whatever. Step on the court, I'm a ball. I'ma take it far. She gon' take it off. Ballin' like Rick Ross. I feel like the man. I don't think they understand. Just a youngin' with a plan. Teed up like a nigga off a. Hold on. I probably did a little too much on that. Ballin' like Rick Ross. I feel like the man. I don't think they understand. Just a youngin' with a plan. Teed up like a nigga off a. All right, I'm gonna punch in. And I'm gonna do my thing. Step on the court, I'm a ball. I'ma take it far. She gon' take it off. I'm trying to remember the lyric. She gon' take it off. You messin' with a boss. She gon' take it off. You messin' with a boss. They don't understand. All right, so what I do is you just see me duplicating. I'm just punching in and just doing what I do after I got my presets. Messing with a boss. Young and I feel like the man. All right. Messing with a boss. A young and I feel like the man. I'm a power up Super Saiyan with a ball. A young and I feel like the man. Power up Super Saiyan. What was that? Power up Super Saiyan. Oh. A young and I feel like the man. Power up Super Saiyan. Do you know what I'm saying? I'm messing with a ball. A young and I feel like the man. Power up Super Saiyan. Do you know what I'm saying? I'm a youngin' with a plan. Yeah. That's alright. Step on the court, I'm a ball. I'ma take it far. She gon' take it all. Messing with a ball. A young and I feel like the man. Power up Super Saiyan. Power up Super Saiyan. Young and really going ham. I don't think they understand. Yeah. I don't think they understand. Yeah. Ooh, me and you. 1 + 1 = 2. You my boo, I'm your boo. Girl, look what we been through. I like ooh. I'm just messing around, man. But I'm not finna hold y'all too long. I'm finna just throw the ad-libs on there. But I'm gonna just duplicate this right quick, and I'm gonna just mix it up a little bit. So punchy rap, edit it. We just gonna I'm gonna cut that last part. All right, so I had to cut the last part out the video. Basically, the Vox just wasn't hidden, so I'm gonna turn it down, and this is punchy rap, so turn that down a little bit, or how do you? Oh, this is noise gate. All right, got the noise gate compressor. Turn this down, and then put some reverb, and then put a chorus. Hey. And that's pretty much all you really need for the ad-libs. I try my best. I started off on GarageBand, so I'm just trying my best to, correlate and figure out the best. And this I kind of just designed this. It sound nice. Let's try it out. Let's go. Yeah. Step on the court, I'm a ball. I'ma take it far. She gon' take it all. Messing with a ball. A young and I feel like the man. Power up Super Saiyan. Young and really going ham. I don't think they understand. All right, let's see how that sounds. Yeah. Step on the court, I'm a ball. I'ma take it far. She gon' take it all. Messing with a ball. A young and I feel like the man. Power up Super Saiyan. Young and really going ham. I don't think they understand. Yeah. I don't think they understand. Yeah. Ooh, me and you. 1 + 1 = 2. You my boo. But that is the end of the video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the video, man. I really hope y'all enjoyed the video. There was some good gems in here. Let's get this to 50 likes, man. Let's get this to 50 likes. I'm gonna be dropping back-to-back bangers, man. Let's get to 2,000 subscribers, man. Help your boy out. We grinding. I'm about to drop try to drop at least 1 to 2 videos every day. So stay tuned for that. Yeah. Step on the court, I'm a ball. I'ma take it far. She gon' take it all. Messing with a ball. A young and I feel like the man. Power up Super Saiyan. Young and really going ham. I don't think they understand. Yeah. I don't think they understand. Yeah. Ooh, me and you. 1 + 1 =